Hello everyone and welcome back to LearnWithUnipen. Today I have a new video for you on Shoulda, Woulda and Coulda, or actually should have, would have and could have. It is an English song. I think I should make this video. These are such important words that we must learn to use. Should have, would have and could have are past models used hypothetically, and this can be quite confusing. So I'm really happy that I can take the time today to clarify it for you. Do you want to rapidly improve your speaking skills, your confidence, and boost your fluency? You speak confidently just like a local. I have tried Lingoda myself and was blown away by the experience. Lingoda is also now an authorized linguist skill agent for Cambridge Assessment English, which is incredible. If Cambridge approves, they are pretty good. All teachers are qualified native speakers, and you take classes at your convenience, anytime, anywhere, as long as you have a stable internet connection. Right, let's get back to the lesson. Should have, would have, and could have. We often use these words to express regret, to show that we are unhappy with a decision or action, and wish that we had done something differently. I'm going to give a brief overview so you get a general understanding, and then we are going to look a little bit deeper into Shoulda, Woulda, Coulda. Should have, would have, and could have. What is the difference between should have, would have, could have, and should have, would have, and could have? Well, apostrophe V is the contracted form of have. It makes it easier to say. Shoulda, woulda, and coulda is slang. Do not use it in an English exam. So if you enjoyed it, then do let me know in the comments. Don't forget to connect with me all my social media. I've got my Facebook, my Instagram, my Twitter, and my channel called Learn with Hipen.